Yo, my people, this moral vocal as usual. Said them the bremo na Charlie news bian saba. Said the moral vocal they be me the bano. Into the moya masum di na mutie me. Oba my TikTok page na make sure say all like it now follow page no. Near build one family. O come YouTube say moral vocal. Make sure say all subscribe. Make sure you subscribe before your enemy subscribe. That is the motive behind the scene. What is here? So now let's get into the story of today. Yeah, Nancy yes Galamsey issue be koso. A very sad issue. Say the ni DH na ehwe ne ama yakoso o man mu a very sad. Recently yensu a yen pipe just say water Ghana Water Company for Sinti Charlie. Inso na mo get it Nancy no very bad because Galamsey for na say you know. O ma say so na just say asem no asefim. Enti no sitie no one woman be abontin. This woman is the Asantewaa of our time. And who is that woman? This woman is called Dr. Louisa Hanna Bissiw. Do you know Hanna Bissiw? Ocean the picture that I out to me say, Mammy no oni, ocean nim be out to me say, yes, with the Asantewaa, the nan council one man answer name man mubini, just a mammy no bojuma. She's also the NDC woman organizer. Just a mammy no bojuma. To say no Jama mama position, administrator for the Mineral Development Fund. Mammy no obojuma. Mineral Development Fund no the juma ne saying the juma ne say nsuo a ewo mine mkrofo bi say a obekọ ho akostop nkrofo no one thing is a Galamsey issue we koso yi a chema wuntumi mu chese mu say nsuo ye pipe ye nom nsuo say no mame no ebo juma na say a okokro ba ko bi ewo Asante region Krowe ye fre honom Atentem in Adansi district ewo Asante region mame no wakoti China fo bi 24 suspects, 14 Chinese with 10 Ghanaians. I chioma. Just say, basem. Very sad. So do we share video here on my screen? So, what you say school dying? And now free a digala. Digala was here. Santa say school dying. I can't be nebu in colonial life. Oh, danger mo. How could we get to this state? Like a very sad in Kuala Muko school. Oh, munimshi. They are planning for their future. Say, oh, that should be my police, my doctor, my say. Na se nkola no classroom. No me Galamsey o mu dan chi a. Nanka mu China fui. How will you feel? Because as I'm sitting here, no, I don't think say nobody can go to China to go and dig their land anyhow and start to do Galamsey. It won't happen. But Adentina Ghana, ya bedu samria, ya forest reservation, ya say no, ya nsu, ya say no. Just say China fui. Omanya fahudi o mine ma just almost seniama enti mami we ya wabai nkrofo see she's the Asantewaa of our time